Okay, let's exercise the system. Computer, what's the temperature of the hot water?
The hot water temperature is 75.88 degrees.
Computer, make the hot water warmer.
Hot water is set to 152.
Computer, set the hot water to 130 degrees.
Hot water is set to 130.
Computer, set the hot water to 50 degrees.
Hot water is set to 50.
Next time it takes a temperature reading, we should see this go off. There it goes. Computer, set the hot water to 101 degrees.
Hot water is set to 101.
Computer, make the hot water cooler.
Hot water is set to 99.
Next temperature reading, we should see it come back on. There it is. Looks like we are functional. Let's go hook this bad boy up.